Making shadow text in PROCreate is actually pretty easy. We're going to go to the Actions menu, that's the wrench, and we're going to add text. We're going to do cap lock, and I'm going to type in sample, and hit the return, and we're going to call it stuff. There we go. Now we go over here to the capital lowercase a. This is any of one. The size is 69.8. That's what we need to know. We'll do a done. We will tap on the layer and choose rasterize. And then we can use the S ribbon for selection. And as you can see here, I've got it on rectangle. I'm going to select just the word stuff, and then I'm going to go to the arrow, and I'm going to move that up to here. That way it's nice and close together. And then we're going to add text, and I'm going to put it up above this. I'm going to call it sample. Cap locks, S-A-M-P-L-E. And we're going to go to the upper lowercase a again. It's still 69.8. We're going to choose outline. That's this one here. And we'll try to get it about the same. And we'll say done. We're going to use the arrow and center it. Just so the E and the S are in the right place there. And I don't know why it didn't do the outline, so we'll go back and we'll say outline for the whole thing. Done. And now we'll do the same thing for stuff. You have to select the whole word to get the outline available. Oops. There we are. Sample stuff. We're going to move it up here. And now we're going to rasterize these two layers. Now I'm going to take the word sample. We're going to use the rectangular selection again. And I'm going to cut the bottom half of it off. We select the layer, we say clear. And then we do the same thing with the word stuff. Oops. There we are, right in the middle of the word. Clear. And now we're going to take the outline sample. We're going to move it down to here. And then I'm going to tap it like 5 times up above. And then we're going to duplicate it. And once again, five taps to get above. And we'll do it one more time. And then we'll do the same thing with the outline of stuff. Now, if we select all of these by sliding to the right, we can group them, and we can work the whole thing as a group. I am going to use the arrow for select, and I can resize this to whatever size I want, center it, all that good stuff. If you don't want as much pixelization, you can make it the size that you want to start out with. If you want to get fancy, you can take the top sample, that's that one. Actually, let's take the middle one first. And we're going to rectangle select that and cut it in half. Maybe a third. Yeah, I think a third. We'll clear that. Select it. And move it down. And then we'll take the top one. And we'll cut about 2/3 out of that. There we go. And we'll clear that. And we move it down. And then you can do the same thing with the word stuff as well, if that's what you want to do. I hope this helps you out, and I hope you have a wonderful day.